Hello and welcome back to Candy's Crafty Closet. Today I'm going to share with you the journal that I made for my son. I made a one for each of my sons, but today we are going to concentrate on the dragon themed one. If you want to see the spider themed one to see how you can do a journal in any theme whatsoever, please come back. I will have this one linked as soon as I have the video up for this one. But let's get into this one. This one I did cover in this like leather material. It was a pain to get to stick, so when I turn it to the inside, keep in mind my very first time ever working with this, but you do it for a loved one so you can see how it's sticking together. But I did force these reinforcement tabs on here for the corners, and I went with this because it looked like dragon scales. I meant to interlay this eyeball right here, but I was so frustrated with trying to get this stuff to stick, I completely forgot that step. But I left the binding for it showing, and I wish I would have done black, but I wanted the red to be on the inside, so you can see the red thread that I did the binding with. And then all of these, I think my cat's in here, but all of these really nice scales, and he thought this was so cool. And he thought I bought this, and yeah, he was shocked that I actually made this. So on the inside, you're gonna see it is rough with the glue. I put so much glue on this thing. I was clamping it down. Oh my gosh, we had a time trying to get this to stick, but I got it down. It worked. I notched it out. We made it work. But this one is dragon themed because he is obsessed with dragons. So that's what you're gonna see in this one. So it does not all have to be vintage beauty. Now, this one I did not have the ephemera and stuff to put in this one, and I was not going to make ephemera. And my thoughts are they're going to put their own stuff in it, so I made very basic cards. Like I made a red card because his favorite color is red, so that's why his accent color is red. And simple guess checks. You know, nothing crazy in this one. But the images that are on the papers, they're what speaks for the journal. So we have that stuff, and he has a bearded dragon, so I did a lot of bearded dragons in here as well. I found what I could with the dragon stickers. So all of these are stickers that he can put other places. This is a big card you can pull out. These are all pockets, of course. The little cute bearded dragon, that was just looked kind of like dragon scaly to me. This one is just a plain black card. That black moody dragon I thought was really cool. And then that's kind of like adventure themed. There's another pocket with a bearded dragon. So I just wanted to show this to y'all to show you can do whatever you want with your journal. You don't have to fit into a mold. So this is just a really, really big like drawing paper that I put into this because they really like to draw. So I put drawing paper in both of them. This is another little card. I didn't put any ribbons or anything because these are my boys. They don't want ribbon. But I did include this little tag in there. And some more stickers. Just a big tag. Red again. Bearded Dragon Family. Oh, and I included these huge bags where they could pick up stuff like in the yard, or you know, like little things they got at parties, stuff like that. I wanted to make it easy for them to add stuff in, so that's what the little baggies are for. Sleepy dragon. Really cool dragons. Another bag. And then I just threw in a big envelope. And he could do what he wanted. You do not have to go all out. You can leave it plain. You can put nothing in the tag or in the pockets. Do you fold out? You feel like you fold out. Were you supposed to fold out? You do fold out. That one I didn't put anything in. Look at that one, Mechano Dragon. This was in some steampunk paper and I immediately stole it out for this journal. It's like, that has to go. Really cool. This folds out and then there's a pocket here. And look at that cool beardy. Another page that folds out. Just some simple tags. Another simple pocket. And these went together really fast once I just laid out my papers. Oh, that sticker is coming up completely. It might need a bit of glue. That one is too. I have to go through and check his stickers. Another humongous envelope. Now I wanted them to be able to just collect things themselves because they love the journals that I do, but they wanted one for their own. So this was specifically just for Harrison. That is my 9-year-old. I loved how that one looked like it was sketched, and he's going to draw on this. I know. It's a big pocket. I love that dragon reading with his little cup of fire. This is another big sheet that folds. On that one I almost sewed in, you see? Good thing it's for my kid. Yeah, another big page. So don't fold them too close, guys, or you're going to catch your pages. Another big envelope. A little beardy dragon. And then that really cool image to finish it off. And I had such a hard time with the cover. I didn't even put any pockets on this one. He didn't get a closure or anything because I just thought it was so cool. It kind of stood alone. And when it's on the shelf just like this, it looks really cool. So I love the way this turned out. So does he. I can't wait to see what he actually does with this or doesn't do with this. There's a good possibility they might not even touch them at all. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed seeing this and seeing a different version of a journal. But I come back and I will share the spider one with y'all very soon. Bye.